हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, या एज्युकेशनल चॅनलवर तुमचे स्वागत. फ्रेंड्स, आज आपण बघणार आहोत हेल्थ अँड डिसीजेस या पाठावरचे स्वाध्याय प्रश्न उत्तरे, जी खास तुमच्यासाठी मुद्देसूदपणे तयार केलेली आहेत. पाठांतर्गत प्रश्न या पाठाच्या दुसऱ्या भागात आहेत. तर चला बघूया हेल्थ अँड डिसीजेस या पाठावरील स्वाध्याय प्रश्नोत्तरे. हेल्थ अँड डिसीजेस, स्टँडर्ड 8, Chapter 2. Exercises. Question 1. Distinguish between infectious and non-infectious diseases. We will see the points for infectious diseases. First point. The diseases which can be transmitted from one patient to the other are called infectious diseases. Second point. Contaminated air, water, food or carrier, vector, animals or insects spread the infectious diseases. Third point. They are acute diseases. They cause due to bacteria, virus or protozoan. Thus their symptoms are seen sooner. Fourth point. Antibiotics can treat infectious diseases. Example, tuberculosis and hepatitis. Now we will see the points for non-infectious diseases. First point. The diseases which cannot be transmitted from one patient to the other person are called non-infectious diseases. Second point. Non-infectious diseases are not transmitted through any medium. Third point. Some non-infectious diseases are due to hereditary causes and some due to deficiency of nutrients. Fourth point. Antibiotics cannot be used for treating non-infectious diseases. Example, diabetes, cancer, heart diseases, etc. Question 2. Identify the odd term. A. Malaria, hepatitis, elephantiasis, dengue. Answer, hepatitis. All other diseases are caused by the carrier mosquito. B. Plague, AIDS, cholera, TB. Answer, AIDS. All others are bacterial diseases. Question 3. Answer in 1 to 2 sentences. Which are various media of spreading the infectious diseases? Answer. Infectious diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food, vectors such as insects, animals, and man. Give the names of 5 non-infectious diseases other than given in the lesson. Answer. Asthma, cataract, diseases of kidney such as kidney stone and renal failure, arthritis, Alzheimer, which is a condition during old age, hypertension, migraine, etc. Which are the main reasons of diabetes and heart diseases? Answer. Improper lifestyle, wrong type of diet, lack of exercise, excessive mental stress and strain, imbalance in secretion of hormones, etc. are the main reasons for diabetes and heart diseases. Question 4. What can be achieved, can be prevented? A. Drinking boiled and filtered water. Answer. When water is boiled, all the diseases causing pathogens present in it are killed. If we boil the water, we are protected against diseases like enteritis, diarrhea, dysentery, hepatitis, typhoid, which are caused by waterborne diseases. By boiling and filtering the water, we can avoid infections from nematode Dracunculus, which causes naru, and epidemics by infectious diseases can be prevented. B. Avoiding smoking and alcoholism. Answer. Smoking and alcoholism are dangerous addictions. Alcoholism causes disorders of liver, malnourishment, mental and psychological conditions become abnormal of the person. Cigarettes and bidi contains nicotine that is a carcinogenic and causes cancer of oral cavity, tongue, respiratory tract, lungs, and it is very common among smokers. Therefore, addictions like smoking and alcoholism should always be avoided. C. Regular balanced diet and exercise. Answer. Regular and balanced diet results into perfect health. Also, immunity of person is increased. Person can avoid frequent infections and also mental well-being is established. Heart disease, diabetes, obesity can be avoided by not consuming high-calorie junk food. Exercise improves blood circulation. Many disorders caused by faulty lifestyle can be prevented by balanced diet and exercise. D. Proper checking of blood before blood donation. Answer. There are different blood groups. During blood transfusions, the donor and recipient blood should be well matched with each other. Otherwise, blood gets clumped inside the body of recipient. Through infected blood, the virus causing hepatitis B and AIDS are transmitted to the healthy person. Thus, for prevention of transmission of such diseases, blood should be checked before blood donation. Question 5. Read the passage and answer the questions. Master X is a 3-year-old child. He is living with his family in a slum. Public toilet is present near his house. His father is drunkard. His mother does not know the importance of balanced diet. First, Master X can suffer from which different possible disease in above conditions? Answer. Master X may be suffer from many infectious diseases due to above conditions. He must be deficient in vitamin and minerals, malnourishment and loss of immunity. He will on and odd suffer from digestive disorders such as typhoid, hepatitis, cholera, enteritis, etc. 2. How will you help him and his family in this situation? Answer. We shall help Master X to procure healthy and balanced diet, having fruits, vegetables, milk, etc. His mother will be taught importance of the balanced diet. Food should be always covered. Houseflies should not be allowed to contaminate the food. Germicidal floor cleaners and disinfectants should be used to keep up the house flies and cockroaches. Father will be taken to de-addiction centers. 3. Which diseases can occur to the father of Master X? Answer. Father of Master X can develop diseases of liver and kidney. Question 6. Give the preventive measures of the following diseases. Dengue. Dengue is transmitted through bite of mosquito of Aedes aegypti. Then 1-2 virus belonging to the type flavivirus. It is a causative pathogen for dengue. The mosquito breathe in accumulated and stagnant water. Aedes mosquito prefers to breed in man-made containers and in clean water. Therefore, such storage should be either covered or should be decanted. Another way to keep off from dengue is to increase our immunity. Vaccination also suggested. Cancer. Main preventive measures is to remain away from carcinogenic substances like tobacco, gutka, cigarette, BD. Radiation can also cause cancer. We should not expose ourselves to hazardous radiations. Balance healthy diet, proper exercise, and stress-free life with mental balance are some of the preventive measures of the cancer. Vaccine is available for cervical cancer in women. AIDS. When blood transfusion is done, the blood should be checked for the presence of HIV. The used syringes, needles should not be used without sterilization. Unsafe sexual contact should be avoided. Awareness about AIDS and HIV is a real preventive measure. Cancer. Main preventive measure is to remain away from carcinogenic substances like tobacco, gutka, cigarette, BD. Radiation can also cause cancer. We should not expose ourselves to hazardous radiation. Balanced healthy diet, proper exercise and living stress-free with mental balance are some of the preventive measures of the cancer. In women, for cervical cancer, vaccine has been developed. Question 7. Explain the importance. Balanced diet. The diet that contains all the nutrients in the balanced proportion is called balanced diet. Balanced diet containing good proportion of vitamin and minerals. It increases our immunity. Wrong lifestyle and wrong diet can cause hypertension, diabetes or heart disease. To maintain our health and body in equilibrium, we have to take balanced diet. Physical exercise, yogasanas. Blood circulation of body is improved by exercise and yogasanas. Body and joints remain flexible. Mental stress and strain is reduced. Insomnia, indigestion and some other disorders can be avoided. The person who performs exercise always remains away from the addictions. It makes levels of hormones, enzymes in equilibrium. Many respiratory and circulatory disorders can be prevented. Question 8. Make a list. A. Viral diseases. Answer: AIDS, hepatitis, influenza, rabies, polio. B. Bacterial diseases. Answer: typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera, leprosy. C. Diseases spread through insects. Answer: dengue, elephantiasis. D. Hereditary diseases. Answer: diabetes, hemophilia, muscular dystrophy, color blindness. Question 9. Write the information of modern diagnostic and treatment of cancer. Answer: following methods are used as diagnostic methods to detect the cancer: CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy. Treatment of the cancer is done by the following methods: chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and surgery are commonly used to treat cancerous growth and tumors. New and modern techniques of robotic and laparoscopic surgery are also used for the treatment. Question 10. Enlist the names and composition of the medicines present at your home. Answer: students are expected to write these answers based on the medicines in their own home.